Here's how to install and load your TopWater fishing rod and gearbox. It's simple and everything you need is in the box. Lift the TopWater onto your vehicle's roof. Now center the box on the crossbars. If you're mounting it near the edge, the bottom of the box must be fully supported by the crossbar. The keys are taped to the opening side of the box. Use one of the keys to unlock the box. Then lift up on the lid to open the box. Now remove the hardware bag to install the clamps. Place the plates along the center slot of the box directly above the crossbars. Make sure one plate is mounted on both sides of the fit label as shown. Place a clamp around the crossbar, then thread it through the slot and the holes in the plate. Reposition the plates as needed. Then screw the knobs onto the clamp and tighten them down. Check that the installation is secure by tugging at the box. The box should not slide on the bars. If needed, open the box and tighten the knobs some more. Now you're ready to load up your rods. First, pull the rubber straps to disengage them from the rod holder. Lay the straps out of the way. Now load up your rods. Alternate the direction of your rods as you lay them onto the padded rod holders. Once loaded, pull the rubber strap over the rods to secure them in place, and close the box. To make sure the box is closed, lift up the lid at both ends. Now lock the box with the key. Depending on your rod and reel combinations, you may need to reposition the rod holders to accommodate shorter rod lengths, and this is how you do it. Use a torque wrench to remove this screw. Pry out the plug with a flathead screwdriver or pop it out from the other side. Remove the rod holder and align it with this hole. Reinstall the screw at the new location and tighten it up. Press the plugs into place in the open holes. To unload your rods, unlock and open the box, disengage the rubber straps, and pull your rods out. To remove TopWater, open the box and remove the knobs and clamps. And remove the box from your vehicle. That's it. You're ready to hit the water and take it easy.